Hey friends, I'm here at 1104 Little Creek Drive in Durham. It's a great house in South Durham, minutes to the highway, easy access to the airport, RTP, South Point Mall, Duke, UNC. Can you say convenient? It's super convenient. Now I know that the wallpaper needs to be removed, but it's got great bones. Got really nice sized rooms. It does need some updating, but that means you get to put your own personal spin on it. I'd take this wall out here between the kitchen and this big, huge living room. Gas log wood burning fireplace. Gas log or wood burning. It's masonry. The kitchen is a really nice size. Just needs some updates. Opens to the dining. Huge laundry room downstairs. Lots of cabinets. Mud sink. There's a half bath down. Also has this huge storage room. Take you upstairs. This house has new carpet. They put new vinyl in the bathrooms. It had carpet, so you'll appreciate it having vinyl in the bathrooms. This is the owner's suite. Has a tub shower combo, double sinks. Easy renovation if you want to come in and update something. Bedroom number 2. Full bath number 2. Bedroom number 3. And off on its own. Bedroom number 4. We'll show you behind the house. There's a great workshop. And is wired. It's got a big fenced yard. Lots of space out there for the kids and dogs to play. Good foliage. Nice and private. It's a great house. If you have any questions, give me a call. I'm Lisa Ellis, 919-606-1754.